Modern Masters, beautiful colors, but at $11 for just a 6-ounce bottle. I've been putting off getting some, but today I was determined to go to my local Hobby Lobby and get just 3 colors to start out with. I was going to have to carefully select, that's for sure. But as I got there and went down the aisle where the Modern Masters paint is kept, what was I met with but bright orange reduced price clearance stickers at only $2.74 a bottle, marked down from $10.99. What was I to do but to scoop up every last bottle that was there and available at this amazingly reduced price? Now, to be clear, not all the colors were, but look at this beautiful bounty, this beautiful score, this beautiful loot that I was able to collect. What did I do? Well, after I paid for it at the cashier, I rushed to my car and I ran home and I started to construct this video as quickly but still making it somewhat entertainingly awesome as I possibly could, so that you too, my painting friends, might have the opportunity to score some of this loot if any of the Hobby Lobbies near you also happen to have it for clearance where you are locally located. So what I would do if I were you, my painting friends, is I would get on your phone and I would call your local Hobby Lobby. I would first find out if they carry Modern Masters metallic paints in the art section, and then I would ask if they have any of the colors at a reduced price. And if so, I would run over there as fast as I can and collect your bounty today so that you too can get a piece of this amazing, amazing score. If you appreciate the fact that I found this, rushed home, and wanted to bring the news to you, please give this a thumbs up, consider subscribing and clicking the bell, and hey, maybe even let me know how cool you think it is in the comments below. And if you are able to score any of this most amazing paint for a deal, I hope you'll think to come back here and let me know in the comments below just what you were able to score. Alright, my friends, good luck. I hope that you're able to score some of this beautiful, beautiful coveted paint. I'll see you back here again around my channel soon. Have an amazing, amazing day or evening.